You're watching the most shocking and informative LrjTV News.
Warning, the clip that you're about to see is a news clip and is allowed under the Fair Use Act. Understand it's for the purpose of news reporting, criticism, and teaching. Thank you.
Reaction was fast and certainly furious to Bank of America's announcement it would start charging $5 a month to debit card users. That's our talker tonight. And a lot of people are talking about those fees. Bank of America customers aren't the only ones feeling the pinch. Chase ended its debit rewards program in July and took a lot of heat for testing a $5 ATM fee earlier this year. Citibank is getting ready to raise the fee on its basic checking, and Wells Fargo will try out a $3 monthly fee for debit cards next month. YouTube lit up with reaction to the new bank fees today.
This is so outrageous. This is the worst bank in the history of a financial institution, in the history of finance, in the history of bankism.
Are they in that bad a shape, or they just like to steal more money? That's what they're in the business of doing. So, I would say everybody should close their account.
I'm getting charged $1 to swipe my card. I'm getting charged $1 to spend my own money. Oh, hell no.
We talked to some Chicagoans outside a downtown Bank of America branch tonight. The fees weren't a hit with them either.
I'm not very happy with it, just because all these banks got bailed out with our tax money, so now they're trying to take that whatever left over from us as a debit fee.
$5 is ridiculous. You know, to make money, nah, they shouldn't do that.
They're a market leader, so you'll see other banks, watching them very closely, I believe, and it could be a trend.
A Bank of America spokeswoman said the economics of offering a debit card have changed with recent regulations. Some economists say those regulations from Congress are as much to blame for this as anything. Lawmakers thought they could help the economy by reducing what merchants pay banks every time a debit card is used. But since the banks are getting less from the stores, they're looking for more from us.
Those reductions, the banks have turned and said, we're going to go to the end user, the debit card holder, and we're going to bill them as opposed to having them billed through the merchants.
Our Facebook page is jammed with comments tonight. Roxanne says, let's do the math, folks. $5 a month from millions of customers equals a larger bonus for the CEO. Joseph says the government is just letting them do it. What a great way to stimulate the economy. Dave says, crooks. From Natalie, ridiculous. And Lorette, sheer, unmistakable, unadulterated greed. And finally, some of your solutions. Jennifer says, just start writing checks. Problem solved. Bobby says, it's time to start paying with cash. And Nancy has her priorities. I'd rather give up my debit card than a latte every month.
Wow. So the merchants were happy because they instead of charging the merchant 44 cents every time they made a transaction, now it's 20 cents, and now the bank says, well, who's going to pay that other 20 cents?
Banks trying to make up for that money lost. I'll tell you what, a smart bank should do for good PR, good public relations, and they need it because there's this feeling that they are sitting on a lot we and they're not lending it.
They're not lending it, and now they're trying to get more from it. Okay.
So, you know how like Southwest Airlines built a whole campaign around we don't charge you for bags?
Mm-hmm. And we don't charge you for changes. You can change your ticket. Mm-hmm.
So if a bank came out with a commercial, we don't charge to use our ATM machine, what would you think?
Exactly. And well, to use their ATM machine, they don't. But to use somebody else's ATM machine, that's the problem. The first time I found out that not only was I getting charged with a set of the machine, the $250, I was also getting charged from my bank. And don't ask for your balance. You got like $7 later, you realize you have paid a lot of money to get your money. So what if everybody closed their account real quick? Just for 1 or 2 days. Since they're the market leader, I'm just wondering what would happen if they'd back off of that. I'm not proposing any kind of a civil action, people.
Yeah, we hope not.
Why do you hope not?
I'm just saying that a smart bank can take advantage of this situation, and we'll all benefit, especially the banks.
Thank you for watching my videos, but please go ahead and rate, comment, and most definitely subscribe and support my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much.